कंप्लेंट आने के बाद तुरंत डीसीपी सचिन गुंजाल और बाकी ऑफिसर्स ने टीम्स बना के 21 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया और जो स्पॉट था स्पॉट का भी जायजा किया है। इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए स्पेशल इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम बनाई है। मैं और डीसीपी तो है, लेकिन ये महिला की केस होने के कारण और इसकी व्याप्ति देख के महिला एसीपी सोनाली ढोले इस केस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है।
All right, so this is the latest that we are getting from Maharashtra's Dombivli, where reports are emerging of a minor being allegedly raped, gang raped over 9 months, and it's being reported that 29 people have been accused of gang raping a 15-year-old girl in Maharashtra's Dombivli over a period of 9 months. And after the complaint, the police have arrested 23 accused, including 2 minors. An SIT has been formed in the matter. Out of these 23 arrested, 2 are minors. And that is the latest. As per the reports are emerging, that as per the girl, one of the accused, who was her friend, blackmailed her and threatened to leak the video. So this is the latest that we are getting from you from Maharashtra's Dombivli, a minor allegedly gang raped by 29 people, of which 23 have been arrested. For more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Sandhya on the broadcast. Sandhya, thank you for joining us. What details can you share with us about this horrific alleged gang rape case?
So, Archana, unfortunately, in last few days, this is not the first such horrific incident which is being reported from Maharashtra. Before this, we reported Pune minor gang rape case, Sakinaka rape case in Mumbai, and Ulhasnagar minor rape case. Now, after this, we are reporting another absolutely horrific incident, this time, once again from Mumbai metropolitan region, this time from the Dombivli part of this region. Now, talking about what happened, a 15-year-old victim approached Dombivli police last night, and she, in her complaint to the cops, told that between January 2021 till September 2021, she was, a group of people, they gang raped her on multiple occasions. So according to her statement, this is what she told the cop, that it was in January that one of her friends, he started blackmailing her, he started threatening her, and he said that if she will not respond positively to his sexual advances which he was making towards her, he will leak a video of hers. After that, he, according to the statement of the victim, Archana, he raped the victim, and that did not end there. In an absolutely horrific, heartbreaking and shocking series of incidents which actually spanned over a period of 9 months, this accused called many of his friends, according to the police investigation so far and the victim statement so far, this accused called many of his friends, and they also raped the girl. So these people, they used to call the girl and they used to take her to various locations in Thane city and Navi Mumbai, that is Badlapur, Rabale, Murbad, all these places, and there they used to allegedly gang rape her. So Dombivli police has filed an FIR. The FIR as of now is against 29 people. Out of those 29 people, 23 people are already arrested. And out of those 23 arrested accused, 2 are juveniles and 21 are adults. And if we talk about the situation, Dombivli police is still looking for around 6 more accused. And an SIT is formed in this particular case. Archana.
All right, thank you, Sandhya, for sharing those details and bringing us up to speed with the latest as far as the investigation and arrests in this Dombivli gang rape is concerned.